Dreams collide, collide. Sparks of inspiration. Bum 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 ba da dum da 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 ba da bum. Ba da da bum da bum ba 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 bum. Go to the beat. Ba da bum bum bum.
Sands of time so golden bright, whispers of 1,000 nights, ancient echoes in the wind, journeys where the stars begin, mystic lands of shadow dews, guided by the twin suns' moons, secrets buried deep in old legends of the brave untold. Doomed people rise and stand, guardians of ancient lands, from the future's farther shores to the past where wisdom draws. Echoes of the temple's grand, crafted by an unseen hand, blending worlds of gleam and rust, destinies forged in the dust. of the starry nights, wielders of the ancient rites, codes of honor extant, guardians of a dying land.
City lights, they glow, they flicker in the shadows where we linger. Neon dreams, they paint the skies, broken hearts beneath the lies. Lonely figures in the mist, searching for the ones they miss. Echoes of a love so grand, drifting in this foreign land. We are echoes in the night, dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't release. Through the silence, voices call, whispers lost within the hall. In this maze of cold and steel, will we ever truly heal? Lonely figures in the mist, searching for the ones they miss. Echoes of a love so grand, drifting in this foreign land. We are echoes in the night, dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't release. We are echoes in the night, dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't release. We are echoes in the night, dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't release. Wings burned to a crisp dust. He fell from the heights so cold. Saw her standing on the ash crust. Love in the ruins of a world old. Lost his halo and a smile bright. Fell deep into a world of fleeting light. She touched his scars with fingers white. But every kiss turned day into night.
Once a beacon, now a shadow. So does this still work? What are we doing?
Burned by the fire of her sorrow.
No more skies, just earth below. Low the indices.
Fallen angel lost.
Tomorrow.
Found solace in a mortal frame, but the cost was a heart in flame. Judged by the stars with eyes so tame. Left in the night with none to name. He let the wings now torn apart. She held his pain but knew the start of a tale that heaven took no part. A destiny of fractured heart. Once a beacon, now a shadow. Burned by the fire of her sorrow. No more skies, just earth below.
Oh, Texture coordinates. Shit, do I have texture coordinates in there? The fire of love, sorrow. Oh, okay, good.
No more skies, just
Earth below.
fallen angel lost tomorrow.
Why does it do that? Why do you do that? I don't know why it does that. Let's come down here.
Lines of code like tiny stars, tapping keys in the late night bars, building dreams in pixel art, hard and line not far apart. Days and nights they blend as one, debugging lines till the morning sun. Sprite by sprite the world takes form, through the chaos calm and storm. Code to the stars, reach so far, spaceship flying digital sky.
Wait a minute. What did it do?
Came to see it soar into space forevermore. Feedback comes, it's a high, smiling white coding guy. Fix the bugs, answer calls, patch and update when it rolls. Each review a shining star, journey's end never that far.
From the first key tap to the final map, every challenge faced in this coder's race. Computer? Oh. Errors? What happened? Oh. Where's the error? Theater. I saw it. Seriously. Function does not take one argument. Well, in this code and storm, upper terrain. Code to the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly. In the digits fly, in this coder's race. Wow, wow, oh. Ba-dum-bum-bum, ba-dum-bum-bum. Mirror terrain render, okay. First key tap to the final map, every challenge faced in this coder's race. Ta-bum. I don't want there to be an upper terrain. Do we have two instances of, oh, I did two. Okay, I don't want that. We don't want that. Anything else? Good, right down here. Upper terrain cleanup, get rid of that. Anything else? Okay. Very good, very good. In this cosmic bazaar. Computer, what's it doing? Is it working? Oh, it's working. Oh, wait, what is going on? Oh, whoa. What is going on? Cool. Energy fills the air. Whoa, what was going on there? Okay, so what? Come and go. Free, feel so free. Okay, let's just check the sky. Bam, 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 bam. Hold on, process input. There. Oh. Get interpolated height. That's probably. Can I go like that? Okay, good. Dun, 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 bum, bum, bum. Dun, dun, dun. Island to sea, data flows so wild and free. What's extra? Oh, okay, right there, whatever, okay. Okay, it is bizarre. I am here to help you through. Where's that? Oh, here, let's go like that. Try to lead. Is it working? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I don't think this is gonna work. Let's just go back to what we were doing before. I am here to help you through. Hold on, let's go to 11. Okay, so what was this before? Close that. Okay, I don't think I recorded this. I think it was 25, right? New terrain 5. So let's load that. Can we just load that? Okay, good. Close that. Go here. Save it as terrain 11. File save as. There. Is it working? I don't see if it's working. Oh, it failed. I always close my eyes because of the white thing. Where are we at? Okay, where's it going? Is that an error? No, where's the error? Just show me. Oh, just show me the error, computer. Show me the errors. Why? Warnings. I'm sure there's a way to do that. Oh, here. Init data does not take 0 arguments. Oh, why not? Cosmic gift. Here. Oh, not Lorenz. What are we? Where are we even in the same file? What are you doing? Oh my gosh. That was. Computer, can you give me the cursor down here, please? I don't even know how to use the computer, pretty much. Let's be honest. I don't know how to use this computer anymore. Doesn't happen. Good luck with that, Jeff. Good luck with that. All right, can we generate some terrain now? Can we do this? Light explodes, yes. Can we generate terrain? Sky ignites, yes. Is it working now? Okay. Oh, and we've got spheres on the terrain and everything. Okay, so it's a little choppy. So the first thing I want to do is get rid of the choppiness and create a much smaller terrain with a, okay, everything. Here we go. Okay, GL float. We're not going to use the whole pointer thing anymore. Just going to go noise data, that right there. Okay, float, I, whatever, pixel offset. I don't know why we're using these pointers. Okay, so we're just going to take out the pointers. Sky ignites, color show. So, alright, we have to... I know, I feel like I'm just gonna... I don't know. Okay. Okay, so to make it smoother, what do we do? What do we do? First of all, we want to just spread everything out. So let's look at the terrain generation. Why are we getting a squiggly here? Might have to read a little Visual Studio now. So noise data, texture. Okay, let's look at the noise data thingy here. There's the texture noise data. Okay. So I think it's right here. Frequency, amplitude. How many octaves are we using? Angel wings unfold. Civilization bold. Does it have octaves up here? 6 octaves? Okay, so random offset plus, okay, random offset's fine. That right up there. Okay, so x divided by x div. X mol. Okay, so are these up here? They're all way up here. They're random. Okay. Oh, I gotcha. Okay, so hold on. X div. Let's go like this.
Which makes it Sources Studio, HF.
Oh, hey, Mixed Source Studio. What's up?
Sources Studio. Is your voice supposed to be robotic?
No. Does it sound robotic? Want this one? This one's a little more robotic. I think it's a little bit more. This one's a tune. So I switch it over and there's like a voice tune. So if I sing, it doesn't sound so cringe. Because it sounds cringe. Or I could go to the.
LOLAHH, that makes sense.
I could go to the astronaut. Anyways, what's up? How are you doing? Thanks for coming in. Oh, I'm just going over terrain and stuff, although I'm different decree. Oh, hey, how you doing? What? Hype train conductor.
What are we working on today?
Well, I should be working on my...
Sources Studio. I'm doing good, thanks.
Doing good. Doing well. Theoretically well. Supposed to be working on my game, but I'm distracted with terrain at the moment, so... So let's see if we can just kind of smooth it out a little more. See if we can get some, what are we getting here? Okay, so that smooths it out a lot. And then what we want to do is, actually, we kind of want to have some higher points. So, okay, I haven't looked at this code in a while, but I think, wait, where's the noise thing down here? So amplitude, is that, okay, let's go higher than 1. Is it gonna, can we go, let's go 12. Beneath the flow. Yeah, I bought the voice mod thing because I thought it was kind of cool. Honestly, I tried the free one and they have a limited use on it anymore. Okay, this is better. Actually, this is, okay, not as, this is more, a little bit more Fortnite-y. Dreams cascade. Okay, I just want, So is this the noise value? Oh, I see. Max value plus equals amplitude. Oh. Noise value, normalized value, channel. Okay, so let's...
Oh, this is pretty code. What language is this?
We're doing C++. Java, no. Good guess, though.
Twitch different degree. I miss C++.
It is pretty cool. So let's go here. Pixel offset. Are they only 25? In pixel light. Let's go 50. I don't know. I added the pro mode so I get little fireworks as I type. I found that online. In the code, a new norm. Okay, is this working? Okay, this definitely gets higher.
Switch different degree. Code in Python, JavaScript, Ruby and Java now. Welcome to norms of the cybersecurity realm. LOL.
Cybersecurity is pretty cool. Pretty cool nerdy stuff. Okay, so I still set the, I forgot about that. When I did this, terrain 04, okay. I hard coded the height settings here. Oh, and it's still a mess. But 10 to 15 random grid. Bronoid less than 10. Okay, 10 to 15. Bum 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 bum. We rise up high, the sky. Some of these songs are really cool. Excuse me. So 10, man. Cast our spells. $50. Have heroes shining bright. Okay, let's comment this. So I at least know what we're doing here. So less than 10, that's the water. 10 to 15, it's going to be grass. 10 to 15 here is grass. If it's less than 100, oh, okay. That's water. So where's the, greater than 29? Ah. Have heroes shining bright. Pixels day and night. Da, 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 da. Heroes pure to life. This is Greentron outline. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Along the border. So if the height is 15 to 25, that's the grass. Greater than 29, that's going to be the white peaks. But it's 30 to 40 right here. Excuse me. 30 to 40, greater than 40. Going like, what does it do again? Doesn't it? See, because right up here it goes to black. Which is really kind of a cool effect. But this should be the peak top of the mountain. Instead it goes up here again and goes, ah, blue. In the sand of time. Okay, so let's put in the never say goodbye. 10 to 15.
Secrets only we know. Through sun and stardust glow. Onward we will go.
I really should never have done this way. Unless I send in a max height. See, in float height. Lost in the sands of time. So what we need to do is terrain 3vs. So the height is equal to the Y position. And that's what gets pushed through here. In text chord, okay. Well, the text chord's just, yeah. And then we have, yeah. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so bum, 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 bum. So that's a bunch of, yeah, weird stuff. I don't know why I did this. I have no idea. It was a good idea at the time. So we fly into the dawn, every limit overdrawn. Oh, it's white Veroni. Why is it? That's cool, but that's not what I... Which one does the... Oh. Hold on, I had a space key. It didn't do it though. Ba, 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 ba. I do the dance and gas me down. With his jetpack we found uniform BW, yeah. So we fly into the dawn, every limit overdrawn. It should go back and forth between this one. Oh my gosh, I just did this all the way wrong. Oh wait, it does. Oh, but only down there. We fly into the dawn, every limit overdrawn. Let's redo the shader. I didn't want to do this, but it needs to be done, and I just... Oh. So we have the height coming in. We have this, the BW, the black and white. All right. Here we go. So let's. Oops. What did I just do? Terrain. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're gonna name this 7. Stars create them. 7 here. Terrain 7. Alright, so now we can do whatever we want. We already have a backup. Let's... Okay, just in case. In case I need to completely redo everything. Is my voice too loud? Okay. Alright. So let's just do... So can we just discard here? I don't have the heart to delete it just yet, but I should. There. Is it working, computer? Okay, so we have just the Tron. And it's transparent otherwise. That's kind of trippy. It's trippy. Alright. So if we don't want it to be transparent,
soft light glow on the cosmic strip. This journey is a mind-bending trip. Textures of space feel so surreal. Planet to planet for the best they see. Asteroids float as my engines squeal. Every trade's a story I conceal.
Voxel nomad. Okay, that takes care of the transparency. This looks really cool. Out in the storm.
Spinning round in a spacecraft dance. Every leap a calculated chance.
Goes up 50 though? What's the...
In a second
Dun, dun, dun. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-dum.
Waves of sound as stars are buoyed. Feel the pulse of a realm in Voxel, nomad in the dark, trading goods and leaving marks. Galaxies all with their spark, dreams mapped out like a chart.
Look how it writes it. It follows the terrain, so it's visible. I forgot I did that. This is too much fun, really. I should include this in the demo. All right, I'm just playing around with it, kind of getting used to stuff here. If temp is less than create water surface. I'm a little confused though. As we ride, when the lights our guide.
Pixel planets dazzle days, data streams and quantum ties, exploring where the future lies. Cargo holds and bartered wares, heroes born from code.
What's it doing? The screen shake or something? Okay, so once that loop is done, we want to print Maxim in. Into the stars we ride, our guide. We ride, lights our guide. Most white ignite the night with pride. .145, so it really gets up there. Does it look that tall?
Fingers on the keys, coding every line, rhythm of the beats, hot and perfect time, binaries and ones, through the night we race, flashes on the screen, keeping up the pace. Hold the dream on the way, in the night and day, highs and lows we play, never gone astray. Syntax comes alive, logic like a flow. In the scene we dive, let the passion grow.
Okay, this feels a lot more Fortnite-y. All right.
Fueling our design, every beat we find makes the stars.
And then we could have different regions. I bet we could go this way for a long time now. Yeah, okay. A mini map would be good because we can get lost. All right.
Classics in the mind, fueling our design. Every beat we find makes the stars align. Pull the dream away in the night and day. Highs and lows we play, never gonna sway.
Okay, so we got this jetpack.
Into the sea we float, lines of code we wrote. From simple forms we start, building dreams with art. Pixels,
Dance and sway,
patterns,
form our way.
math and magic blend, infinite landscapes ascend.
Okay. That's my newest little mechanic feature or whatever.
Noise turns dark to bright, shapes come into sight. From chaos beauty springs, life in every stream. From the depths of thought into light.
Okay, I'll be right back.
To make a pixel sense. Close the world with joy and thunder. Half the night with words to thunder. Sparks will fly in waves and wonder. Share dreams by the light of thunder.
Okay, let's see. Hey, what happened to the music? It's over. World with blocks shining bright.
Mayo says, hey, what's up?
Oh, you must be on Kick. Hey. Go to the beat. What happened to your voice? I have the voice mod. Where the dreams collide.
Mayo says, you sound like an alien.
This is an alien. Ba, 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 ba.
This one's really alien. One of my favorite ones is
This one's the invader.
this one's cool. Some of them have, where's...
Is this one? No. This one?
Some of them have backgrounds. So you turn on the background, and you can hear, like, stars, astral conquer, weird. Turn off the background and, yeah. Let's see.
Mayo says, my friend showed me this app. There are really nice voices.
Yeah, and it was on sale for Cyber Monday. So I got it for like $20. Lifetime. I own it for the rest of my life now, so that's cool. But I wasn't going to buy it before. I was just going to use the free version of it.
I didn't realize how cool the aliens sounded. Oh. Okay, let's go back to some music. But anyways, how you doing?
Mayo says, D.
Oh, thanks for the follow, too. Oh, yeah, so how does, achievements, huh? Oh. Oh, they have it just like Twitch, okay. Hang with my community, stream for a total of 5 hours. I did that already.
What about you?
Doing alright. Monetize my channel. Oh. Oh, okay, cool. I'm looking at going back to work next week for part-time. And I'm gonna try to do streaming part-time too. So 4 hours a day, maybe 6. But we'll see how the 4 hours works for us. Should be Monday through Friday, Pacific Standard Time, like 11 to 3. That's the target. I don't know if I'll keep that all the time, but yeah. And should help you stay focused on game dev. Doing some...
Mayo says, I take you serious with this voice.
What voice have I got? Oh, the alien, yeah. Let's go back to this one.
You can also choose, instead of just doing a voice, you can switch to clean mic, which I don't know how it cleans it up, but that's all it is, just clean mic. So this is my more natural voice here.
like rain, trading under the twin moons, seeking for
And I don't want to hear there. I'll turn that off.
healing on
Ba-da-bum. Ba-da-ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Okay, so the next thing I should work on is
ancient skies,
the inventory.
guiding us through the night. Lost in the sands of time, adventures call we climb. Through the stars we fly, never say
Okay, so when I hit the 3 key, what did I do down here?
buried low. Secrets
Show inventory. Okay, so then we have nothing in here, right?
Mayo says, you remind me Tokia Spliff Whitey channel. Do you know that guy?
will go. Ships in the twilight.
Tokyo Spliff YouTube channel? No.
Dreams tell daylight.
Bum, 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 bum. Lost in the sands of Geez, what's my neighbor down below me doing? I can feel the floor moving. Damn. Bum, ba-dum, ba-bum, bum, da-dum, ba-bum.
C++, OpenGL, Voxel.
Oh, okay. Following that. Vulcan? Ambitious. Bet you they didn't stick with Vulcan for long. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, they didn't. Looks like they didn't stick with Vulcan for long, but yeah, I don't blame them on that. Vulcan is crazy. Oh, they do live streaming too. Nice.
Mayo says, I'm not a game dev, so I don't even know what is Voxel.
It's kind of like the difference between DirectX 11 and DirectX 12, I think. It gives you a lot more control over the actual everything. That's the best way I can explain it. Like a lot of stuff that I program when I program with OpenGL and C++, I don't have to do a lot of the stuff that someone who codes in Vulkan has to do. Oh wait, this guy is a Kickstarter. Hold on. This guy's a Kickstarter and he got funded. I want to tell him congratulations.
My honest review of Mint Mobile's unlimited data plan.
More control is nice though. It is, but in the case of Vulkan stuff, it is not necessary. Let's see, where do I type? Where do I type? What is going on with YouTube here?
Got it.
There we go.
You get down too. We're fighting each other.
He is fully funded now, isn't he? Yeah. Let's go look at his Kickstarter.
Get out of there.
Nice.
Goodness. It's a bag of Lego that they're playing with.
What is he drawing?
I hate that I can't type.
Oh, scribble.io. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Anyways, cool. And, oh, 3 viewers. Okay, well, hey, everybody. You got some lurkers going on. So what I want to do, if I hit 3, it doesn't do anything. So what do we want to do? So for starters, let's just go like this. If game state equals show inventory. We should do something. So the whole problem that I was having thinking about inventory was, okay, new text. I want that. Whoops. Where'd we go here? Player, manage player inventory. That's just the player. Actually, that we haven't instantiated that yet. Oh, wait, we have it in here. Add inventory. Okay, so we do have inventory. And then we have an amount. Okay, so let's just see if we can take from here. This map will hold credits in inventory. Yeah, I totally forgot I did this. So, and then the new stars. Okay. So background stars here. What is going on in my building? Some people making some serious noise out there. 30,000 points? Okay. Alright, fine mining collision, that's fine, that's
Mayo
stuff.
says, I can't hear voice.
Can't hear my voice? What happened? Check, check. Testing 1, 2, 3. Emoji blow kiss.
Mayo says, not your voice, in your building I mean.
Actually, there's no voices. There's just like pounding noises or drop, like something large is dropping, like they're moving a cabinet or something. I don't know. One of my neighbors has a baby. I'm not used to that. I've been here 25 years, and they just moved in like a couple months ago, and it's just a single gal with a baby. I think she's got a bunch of friends over. And then my other neighbor below me, I've never met her actually. She's only been there for a year, and she never leaves, as far as I know. It's quite weird. But I've never met her anyways. I don't know. Okay, so what do we gotta do? Excuse me. So let's do something. So the thing we need to do is basically so we do have the 2D and the 3D, but the 2D is all stars. Do we need another background stars? Okay.
Mayo says, it's a complete horror film scenario.
It's a complete horror film scenario. Possibly. It's just a condo. I live half a block from the ocean. It's quite nice. For the majority of the time that I've been here over the 25 years, I haven't had any neighbors, which is very, very fortunate. So I consider myself fortunate. It's nice not to have any neighbors, you know. Direct neighbors. I mean, below you, on either side of you, across the hallway. Across the hallway is not so bad, but if you share a wall or a floor, it's kind of... Although I don't care about my neighbor down below. I never hear anything from her other than, like, I don't know. Not much. I imagine she hears everything from me. But that was not my choice. Although that's not entirely true. I remember when I bought this place, he goes, "You want first floor or second floor?" And I'm like, dude, second floor. I don't want anybody below me or above me. See, manage player inventory. Okay. I'm just trying to think right now. So the way that I want to do this, like we already have inventory, like if I'm going through here, let's say. We're going through here. And we pick up some things. We pick up all those things right there. Okay. And I think it even tells me, yeah, right here. Adding the swirl gems, adding the stardust, and it tells you the total amount that I have there. Okay. So what we need to do is have the player class, manage player inventory. We need to have that class report all the inventory. So all we have right now is an add inventory function, and we have two versions of it, so it's overridden. And then, oh, what's all this? Oh, that's, okay, that was from the previous. So we just need to have it return or display all the inventory, but return it. Oh, do we need to return a copy of the map there? What we need it to do is, where are we at? Main, okay, right in here. Setup stuff, test the text. Okay, this just drawing the text that's on the screen there. Okay, so do camera stuff. So show inventory. So what do we need to do? We need to create points for each type of inventory. So anything that's in the inventory right now is just going to be points that we already know how to draw. And then we also need to create a mount (2D) quads. So how can we do that? I'm not that familiar with working with maps and everything, but this map will hold credits inventory. So I think it's a for each. Let's ask Bing. Let's go ask Bing. Okay, so there we go. You can use an iterator. I don't use iterators a lot. In fact, not very often. Okay, so inventory credit. Oh, okay, so okay, use it. So auto IT equals inventory begin, inventory not equal to end plus plus IT. C out IT first, second. Oh, first, second. Right. So first is the key, and then the value is second. First is the key, value is second. Okay. Use a range-based loop. Const auto item for const auto item colon. Oh, use a range-based loop cycle. This must be like a for each. Okay. So an iterator for the for each. Yes, map is inherently sorted by its keys. When you insert elements into a map, they're automatically sorted based on the key values in ascending order.
Your Mum01 says, hi.
Hey, what's up? Is that another kicker? Hey, thanks for the follow. Your mom, huh? My mom, huh? Bro, no, I'm just kidding. Anyways, welcome. Map by its values requires extra work. Sorting a map by its values requires a bit of extra work since map is inherently sorted by its keys. Here's a way to sort the inventory based on values and display it. Create a vector of pairs. Extract the key value pairs and store them in a vector. Sort the vector based on the values. Oh. Ooh. Oh, okay, wait. So if I want to sort
Your Mum01 says,
this
what are you working on?
pretty much all the time, a Space Trader game. Yeah. So if I want to sort this pretty much all the time, is it better better to have a vector of pairs to begin with? I think it's going to tell me yes. More efficient to continually converting. Yeah, so benefits of using a vector of pairs. Okay, I've never used the pair too much. It's kind of a new thing to me. It's std vector pair string in. Oh, okay. Okay, and you just push back like that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. Let's see. I don't think I've broken it at the moment, so I can show you.
Yormum01 says, fun, I did this in HTML, CSS, and JS for my high school project.
Really awesome. Cool. Have you got a link? Show me. So, yeah, something like that. Whoops, let me show you. And I've got this 2D world where you fly around and this is like the map and everything. And then I've got all these things that you shoot out a laser and acquire, and then I've got another laser and you can just fly the ship over stuff. And then I've got a 3D world where, with voxels and stuff, I just put in a jetpack. I started over on the jetpack, so it's kind of needs some work. But
Yormum01 says, unfortunately not, I never hosted it.
oh, okay. All right. Well, that's cool, though. That's really cool. But anyways, yeah, I want to do like voxel worlds and stuff like that.
Yormum01 says, wow.
Yeah, I want to do something similar to like No Man's Sky, only instead of like the realistic terrain, have just voxel worlds. So I thought that'd be kind of cool. And have all kinds of mini games and stuff in it. And all right, so let's use this vector of pairs now. Oh, computer. Copy this. And then the pushback stuff. Actually, here, let me just copy that into a thing.
Yormum01 says, I don't know a lot of C++, I am more of a web developer.
That's cool, though. I do have a thing I just made. I'll show you. What's this candy bag? Strategize your trick-or-treat route. I think I saw that before. Following, yep. I think I saw this one before. Interesting. But anyways, I have this. All it does is go full screen and that's it. Go full screen, go back. There you go. That's on my itch. I forget if I put links and stuff on my Kick. Session info, stream preview, mod actions, chat. I'm too unfamiliar with Kick. I need to get into, because I'm going to be streaming a little bit more regularly. I know. You like that game? Isn't that fun? Just full screen, not full screen. This is one I did recently for a jam, and this is what I'm working on now. This is what it was before, and I'm pretty much up to where it was before, except for the inventory and trading, and then and the chat and the chat integration. I had it so that chat users can integrate into the game too, which that'd be so cool to do that with Kick too. I'm sure Kick has a very similar API kind of like interface for chat. So, okay. So we got this here. Excuse me. Well, see, this is why I'm glad I'm doing this, because I'm not really far along, so I can actually go in here and just change it real quick, and it's not really that big of a change. Inventory name. See, this is adding it as a map, right? So let's change it to 2, version 2 of this. And then let's go into here. Update it to version 2 so we don't freak out. Okay. There we go. So instead of the map now, we're going to go like that. Whoops, what did I have? Oh. Whoops, all right. Okay. This vector of pairs. So to switch this up, add inventory int or add inventory here. So std out, adding that. Okay, so that's all you have to do to add that. But to add a pair, you have to actually go std pair add 1. Just call it add 1 equals, and then don't you have to do, oops, where's the text here? Oh, I see. We can just add it like that. Okay. Hold the phone. Push back. In this case, we're going to push back name. And then here we're going to push back amount. Yeah. Fire away. And then here, string name amount. Okay.
Yormum01 says, how many energy drinks went into this?
I have an espresso machine and I make espressos for myself. I made one about 5 minutes before starting the stream. So far 1 coffee. 1 self-made coffee. So that's all that's required to make a pair, is just to do that in C++. Okay, so I didn't know that. I did not know that until now. So that's a pair.
Like I am mesmerized.
You're mesmerized. Cool. Inventory pushback. Name amount. Okay, name amount. Total inventory name. Adding name amount. Total. Oh, I see total. Oh, wait a minute. So, I think we're doing this wrong, because if it's a map and you add it, it creates it brand new. But if it's a and if you add it and it already exists, it just adds to the Wait a minute. Okay.
Yormum01 says, time to ask ChatGPT.
Yeah. I want to implement an add inventory function that adds to the current inventory. Oh, you know what I could do? We could just create an empty inventory of all of them and set them all to 0. And then when we add, okay, hold on. So when we create the inventory, vector appears will hold credits in inventory. We could do an initialize inventory. Hold the phone. But anyway, do you have any current game dev projects you're working on, or what are you working on? And are you still in school? And are you doing any projects for school, or are you working, or in coding, or I just work at McDonald's. I'm lucky enough to go part-time at McDonald's 20 hours a week, And I'm going to do streaming 20 hours a week and game dev 20 hours a week. Hopefully. Hopefully. We might do some variety streaming, like play some video games, or because I like the idea of playing video games from itch. I like the idea of playing other people's games, as well as doing like a jam or something tiny. Excuse me. Dice, cute animals, scary forest. What? Run game, pick two, choose wisely. What is this? Oh my goodness. Space ghosts can't kill you. Hunted, summoning, spellsworn. Look at all these games people make, you know? That would be so fun to just play games and stuff. Okay, so back to what I was thinking. So we should just initialize the inventory with all the different...
Not really working on out right now. I am doing a new course that is completely different to programming because I was getting burnt out.
Ah, okay. All right, well, that's fair enough. Let's see. So let's just go like this. So init inventory. So how do we create a bunch of pairs then? We just... So when we initialize, we just... inventory dot pushback. And then we're just going to go like this. Should we have... You know what we can do? We can just copy all of these. Whoops, it's doing that thing with the cursor. Okay, so right there. We can just copy them all right there. Asteroid fragments, yeah. And then we'll initialize to 0. So does that do it? That does it, right? That'll do a pushback, name, amount, like that. Okay. Okay, so why don't I do this? Wait. Let's go like this. So I'm going to highlight that selection, and then I'll just go replace. We just want comma 0. Oops. Instead of the semicolon, we want comma 0. Replace all. Okay. And now we can go over here. Go like that. For once I'm actually using this, go like that. Ah, oh.
Your
And then
01 says, so are you trying to reset the inventory?
We're going to initialize the inventory like this. I was just using a map, but I just discovered that I want to set it, because I want to put it into a vector. So let's do that. There we go. And then we're going to add parentheses, semicolon. Oh, we need a, oh shoot. So we need to go right there. Why did it do that at the bottom? Okay. So, excuse me, my voice is weird right now. Asteroid fragments. Okay, so now we're going to have all those set in there. That's fine. I'm just being a OCD right there. Okay, so that's all the stuff that we can make. Okay. So that'll set them all to 0. And then when we add to the inventory, we go like this. Okay. So then we would need to find the particular one, the type, based on the name, and then just add the amount. Okay. Alrighty then. So let's take a look here. Get rid of this. Bum, 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 bum. So what do I have? Two add inventories? I think I'm just going to have one now. Great. Now that you've initialized your inventory, you can implement an add inventory function to search for the item in the vector, adds a specified amount. Tell me. Init add string amount. Okay. Add inventory. Okay, so, so it searches through all of it. If pair first equals item, pair second plus amount, added, return. If the item is not found, add it to the inventory. Oh, return, and then if it's not found, it's right here. Push back item amount. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay. I like that. And then it's got that there. Hold on. We're going to put that in. Hold a phone. Hold a phone. Let's go here. So let's go add inventory here. And I think we can just replace both of these right here with that. So let's just go like that. So that actually works for that function right there. Okay. Huh. Cool. Okay, so I'm just thinking, do I ever use, what's the red squiggly? Where's the red squiggly? Aha. Add inventory temp stuff type. Temp stuff type is a number. Oh, because of the thing. Okay. Oh, so I need to convert the numbers to a string type and then add it that way. That can be an overridden version, right? Okay. So that's okay. I'm just thinking because asteroid fragments, ice crystal, these all have different types. So add inventory, string amount. So if we did have another add inventory function, an overridden version to accommodate that. Yeah, the other option is to keep this list and then just convert. But that gets a little messy. I don't want to do that. So let's just do another overridden version here. We'll just go void add inventory int like that. So it's going to send in a type number, and then we will convert that type number to a string, and then we'll just call that function. Okay. All right. Hold on.
Nonum01 says, I will be back in a minute.
Cool. I like that TTS. That's working out. Add inventory. Okay, so void player Add inventory. Okay, int type, int amount. Can I call an overridden version of a function from the function? Pretty sure I can, right? Well, I'm going to try it. Okay. So by type, and then what we want to do is in here 4, 5, 8, 10 through 14, right? I think that's what we want. Yeah. Okay. So the type, just going to brute force it if type equals 4. Here, let's go like this. Temporary. Name equals. Isn't 4 asteroid fragments? Now I got to remember what all those were. Ah, right here. Oh, I've already done this. Okay, cool. So let's do it here. So we can just get it all from here. We're just not going to do it quite that way. So this one. Okay, so add inventory type amount, string name, and then name here. And then down here, instead of doing this, we're just going to call add inventory with the string and the amount. There. Does that work? Any errors or anything? No. Oh. Oh. Okay, so let's add a bunch of stuff. Add a bunch of stuff from here over to here, all that. Everything good? Let's look. How are we doing? All right, looks good. New quantity, everything looks good. Item not found and added obsidian shards with quantity 1. Oh, and then it just adds it in. Oh, okay. Oh, I like that. So that works really well. And then if it does find the item, it just adds it. Okay, perfect. This is really great. So for auto pair in inventories, for each pair in the inventory, if the pair first is equal to the item, then it adds the amount. And then it reports that to you. And it returns from the function, you're done. Otherwise, if you get to this point, you know that it did not find the item. So it puts it in the inventory. And then it tells you, item not found in the inventory, added item with quantity. That's perfect. That's just perfect. And in the case of my calling the function from the update function, do show space, if the right button is pressed and the laser is sent out, it does this. Temporary item structure, temp stuff, mined item. Firing the mining laser until we hit something. Temp stuff equals find mining collision, which returns the type of the item that was hit. Temp stuff type is less than. Oh, it also returns something else, doesn't it? Find mining collision. Excuse me. Where's the mined item defined? Oh, that's the exception. It's defined right here. Destination line and then a type, which is the position. Okay. Boy, that gets complicated fast. All right. And I'm already lost. Oh no, because it's in do show space. Do show space here. That's where I got lost. Okay, so it returns it in there. And then if the length of temp stuff is greater than that, render mining laser temp stuff destination line. Oh, it's drawing the line. Okay. If temp stuff is equal to that, player add inventory temp stuff. Okay. Temp stuff type and 1. It just adds 1 to the inventory. Okay. So is right button pressed, and then what does it do? Do show space? Find mining collision. So that must be, okay, I just got to back it up here. So the find mining collision does all this. And then it sets the type to 7 if it finds a collision, so it's not drawn, and then it's not even considered for the collision next time because as it goes through here, 7 is not considered. Okay. Okay. Boy, that's distracting a little bit, but it's kind of cool. Okay, so as we're adding it in, that's really cool. So that works really well. So now what we want to do is we want to get that information out of the inventory. We want to get the information out of the inventory. So when we are in here, create points for each type of inventory. So show inventory. Right as we do this, we want to sort the inventory and then create points for each type of inventory and then create the amount display for each type of inventory with amount greater than 1. Okay, I will be right back. And I'll put some music on.
Classics in the mind, fueling our design. Every beat we find makes the stars align. Hold that dream away in the night and day. taking flight. Endless shapes ignite, forming in the light. Algorithms grace, written in the code. Every twist embraced, stories being told. Angel wings unfold, civilization bold. Journey never cold, dreams are bought and sold. Pixelated skies, procedural surprise. One death's lonely cries, hidden in the lights. Through the mundane days, in the endless maze, seeking brighter ways, breaking through the haze. Angel wings unfold, civilization bold. Journey never cold, dreams are bought and sold.
Okay, sorry, I'm back. So in the player class,
In the mundane days, in the endless maze, seeking brighter ways, breaking through the haze.
Flying through the stars in my pixel ship, traitor by heart with a daring grip. Soft light glow on the
I can't see it.
This journey is a mind-bending trip. Textures of face feel so surreal. Planet to planet.
Sort the inventory by value in descending order. Okay, so it uses the iterator, sort, begin, and
Every trace
auto A, B, voxel, nomad, and
dark
sort by value in descending order.
marks, galaxies on
What's this?
their spark.
Const auto A, const auto B. I don't know. Bum, ba, 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 bum, ba, 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 bum.
Spinning round in a spacecraft dance, every leap a calculated chance. Nebulous glow in a spectral trance. Space has got me in a timeless glance. Physics twists in an endless void. Soft bodies making worlds. Waves of
Is it algorithm that I need?
void. Feel the pulse of a realm in Voxel.
Nomad in the dark.
Trading goods and leaving marks. Galaxies all make their spark.
Oh, I need algorithm. All right.
Dreams mapped out like a chart.
can't spell it either. Oh, it didn't autocorrect. That was great. Okay, I don't think I need map anymore. I don't think we're using map. So let's see. Pretty sure we're not using map. Yeah. Okay. If we do use a map later, we will come back to that. Okay, so that's how we sort the inventory. So the only thing I'm not familiar with is this, which it looks like it's an empty array populated with whatever that is. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Const auto A, const auto B. Bum, 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 bum. Which I know what that is. This is the algorithm that's applied between this, right? I think so, yeah. By the memories can't release. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Dun 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 bum bum bum. Dun 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 bum bum bum. Player, okay. Echoes in the night. Dun 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 bum bum bum. By the memories, can't release. Bum, ba, dum, bum, bum. Create points for each type of inventory with amount greater than. Echoes in the night. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, ba, dum, bum, bum. Ba, da, bum, ba, dum, bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, ba, dum. So the other thing that we need to do now, pick and release. Bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, dum, bum, bum. You know what we should do? We should just include a type. Bum, bum, ba, dum, ba, da, bum, bum, ba, da, dum. A shader type. So that when we pull the inventory like this, we don't have to convert it. See we flow, lines of code we row. Dreams with heart, dance and sway, da ba da bum. But then we can add based on type or the name. That's alright though, then we can change that function. Code the world with joy and thunder. Hack the night with worms to plunder. Spark. Alright, we should do a little exercise break here in a little bit too. Bum, bum. Dun 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 dun. Dark to bright. Shapes come into sight. I could still do a vector though. It would just be a structure that contains that pair. Code the world with joy and thunder. Hack to plunder's bark. Actually, yeah, the type is an unsigned int. Shader type. To make the pixels dance. Code the world with joy and thunder. Hack. Spark. and wonder, shader dreams by the light of under. Oh wait, do I have to give it a name? It's a pair, so it's name and value. And then this would be a vector of items. We're going to change it again, Jeff, again. And wonder, shader dreams by the light of under. But dun 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 dun. Waves and wonder, shader dreams by the light of under. Rise up high, rise up high. Sky, and turn another wave, ignite the night. Let's put it on the, okay, hold on. Let's put it on the star. So show planet, show space, show space. Okay. We propel. Propel. That word always cracks me up. Alright, so stars. So when we're rendering the stars, we're doing everything. We're doing the background stars, we're doing the items, the planet, the star, everything. Dav heroes shining bright. Realm of pixels, day and night. Da-da-bum. Heroes, pure delight. Bum ba bum ba 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 ba bum. I think we're gonna need a whole nother instance of the background stars. We won't fade. But then we need another VAO, need another VBO. We can do that. We can manage two within the one. Heroes shining bright. I'm just thinking. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so what we should do though is we have a render function, but we want to render, see, activate shader, okay, texture, alien pick, palette. We don't need any of that, no. All we need is a vertex area object and then the points call, okay. We don't need the time, we don't need any of that, so let's do a render inventory function. We can still use the same vertex area object. But then when we do this, the only difference is we'll have to render up to the inventory, and then we'll render from the inventory to the end. I think that's going to work. We're using the same shader. Okay, so let's just go into here. I think we should send a parameter then. Okay, so this class,
Supernova, light slow, sky ignites, colors show.
okay, we're gonna change it significantly, so we're gonna go up one version. Okay, good. Ba-da-da-da-bum, ba-da-da-bum, bum 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 bum, ba-da-da-da-bum, ba-da-da-bum, ba-da-da-da-bum, ba-da-da-bum. So we're gonna have two so far variables. Supernova. Let's keep so far is equal to everything up to the inventory. And then we'll have another variable. And we'll just say inventory. Inventory start. This is where it gets tricky then. So we're going to have so far. Oh boy. What if we want to add and do something? Yeah, this isn't going to work. Not going to work.
Starting out, I learned to see data flow so wild and free. In the silence, I
Okay, for now we can do this though.
becoming clear.
Hold on. For now we can do it just like this. And then see what I can do is just add the inventory and just display it with a separate render call. And then that's just clunky though. But it'll work. It's fine. It's just for now. I don't like doing that kind of. Hold on, let me go and look at the program again. Let me see it running. See, right now we use the background stars for everything. For the star here, for the planets, the moons, for all of these little asteroid field things. Okay. And then that's a separate class. That's the 2D quads. Okay. And then this is a separate class, right? And then this is a separate game state. And we don't draw anything here, or we don't do anything here yet. But we would like to just draw the inventory and then the amount. So we're going to draw points from the background stars class. And then we're going to draw the amount from the... hey, wait, it doesn't go back. Wait, what happened? Wait. Hold on. Why didn't it show the, because it takes a projection? Did switching to number 2 changes the projection? Show space or show planet, do camera stuff. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't notice that. That's not good. That's bad.
Stars align like sparks in code. Galaxies where dreams unload.
So what happens so that it stops drawing the text? Neon lights are guide. Oh, because it's 2D quads. Hold on. Show planet. Space blocks. Update data, render. Hold on. Oh, the depth test. So we have to disable that. Hold on. In Godot we find our place. Into the stars we ride. With neon lights our guide. Does that do it? Because we enable it, so we'll disable it. There we go. Okay, so they're back. Whew. Into the stars we ride, with neon lights our guide. Okay, so let's leave so far alone, and let's just set I'm just thinking too much, because I didn't really think that I wanted to do this. What I really should be doing, although it doesn't really matter because the solar systems are all going to be different. And we can just draw the solar systems like this all together, right? So let's just... Once a beacon, now a shadow. Burned by the fire of love, sorrow. So if we add these points, they're not part of the solar system. So let's let so far be the solar system. Lost tomorrow. Bum, 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 ba, da, da, dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 ba, da, da, dun, bum, bum, bum. Okay, well, we're not going to worry about sorting the inventory just yet. Although it will be sorted. But let's go back. Let's leave that out. Once a beacon, now a shadow. So when we set up stuff for the background stars and all this stuff like that, not an angel lost tomorrow. Init data. See the shield for the ship, and then the laser, okay, which is not tested anymore. It works fine. And then for the inventory, we're just going to draw it on the front screen for now. So we're just going to keep adding. The fire of love, sorrow. So we need 4, 5, 8, and 10 through 14, right? Fallen angel lost tomorrow. Bum, 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 ba, da, 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 bum, bum. 4, 5, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Bum. 4 and 5. Okay, so color 0. Bum, 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 bum. Binary dreams tonight. 4 and 5. Color, size, type. Wait, where's the position? Oh, we don't even do it for the laser because we set it later. Okay. Fail. Complete fail. Complete fail. Okay, so position. The stars create and die. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, maybe those we can put into a for loop at 4, 5, 8, and then 10 through 14. And let's just be tricky with the first one. Type is equal to 4 plus I. Okay. If I is less than 2, do that. Otherwise, we already know that one's just going to be 8. So that's 4 and 5, and then that one is 8. Okay, position, let's just go X and Y. Let's go 0, X, so Y times, or I times 0. How many of them are we doing? 4, 5, 8, 10 through 14 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 of them. This was a 9. So we want to go from there to like 0.5. But let's just do 0.1. Ba-da-ba-ba, galactic algorithm. In the stars we find rhythm. Outer states. In the code, a new norm. Zero, 1, 2. So the first one here is going to be 0.3. Beneath the flow. Hidden in. Okay, that takes care of that. Algorithm. In the stars we find rhythm. Ba-dum. Okay, so right here. Well, we're just going to draw everything. So everything's going to be on the front screen. At first. At first. It's fine. It's fine. In the code, a new norm. Well, let's see if we did it or not. Da-dum, da-dum. Four, 5, 8, and nothing. Rhythm. What'd we do wrong? Pixel lights. Cosmic trade. Bit-dip-bim. James Cascade. Dip-a-da-bum. 0.3 plus I. Oh. Oops. A new norm. Craft to outer states. There we go. Now we got one of each right there, right? Oh, and they don't move. That's kind of cool. So I can just come here and visit my inventory. Okay, we do this. Doesn't do anything, right? Okay. So 4, 5, 8. Is this a 8? So we needed a different... What? How do we initialize 8 better than that? Hold on. I just got to look at this real quick. Create asteroid field. Where the stars begin. Bum bum bum. Position, color. Dun 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 dun. Where's the... Oh, I think 8 just needs to be random colors. And stand guardians of ancient lands. Do, 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 do. Alright, so let's just do a random color. Ba, 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 ba. Came before. So if it's 8, it's gonna get random. Okay, I think that's what makes it better. Yeah, I mean it looks better. It's whatever. And there's a random asteroid color. Okay. Anyways, so 4, 5, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have those. What's that last one? Because it's... Oh, the circle center? What's wrong with the circle center? Oh, is it the same color? Also, 10 is the... I think these need random too, don't they? I'm terrible at this. There. There we go. Except for this one, I don't know. The Voronoi. Galactic Trading Square. They actually look pretty... What one is that? Treasures you'll find. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum, ba-bum, bum. Screens display. Okay, so let's just see. What would it take to do this? Okay, I'm gonna take another break again. I don't know if I'm cut out for streaming even. So bad. Alright. Okay, we got the inventory right there.
Right here. One up here with me. I'm missing every shot. I'm missing every shot. I suck. Oh my god. I actually suck. Hello. What? Dude, I'm so bad. Alright, maybe I don't buy that pistol. Okay, though. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. How much money I got? 2,500. I'm gonna go with a pistol again. Bro, what is my teammate doing, bro? He's sitting there staring at the guy behind us? Yo, ZM CDO, thank you for the 9 months, man. Welcome back. I appreciate you. Yeah, we're not playing this solo ever again in rank. I'm never playing a Phil rank game in this game mode, bro. In Ballistic. I don't know why. I don't even know what I expected. What rank? Bronze. Thank you so much. Or not? Bronze 3. Yeah, amazing, bro. Amazing. Thank you so much. What happens when I get put into a 4v5, bro? Into a 4v5 in my first ranked game. Yeah, we're just not going to do that. We're just not going to do that. Alright, back to regular games. Way too many stuff on my screen now, bro. How am I supposed to find... There we go. You're a good shot. You're good, man. Little Timmy's were wilding on the comms in my games. Yeah. Yeah, it be like that. It be like that. What's up, Isa Beast? What's going on, man? How you doing? What's going on? What's up, Noah? We back? I see we are back, bro. We are back indeed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. What was the best part of your trip? Dude, honestly, everything, bro. But my favorite was definitely going to the F1 race. Favorite thing was definitely going to the F1 race, man. It was a very surreal experience. It was great. It was great. What the? So what is he doing? He just landed there and didn't move. Just didn't move. I remember like a year ago watching all your chapter 4 videos. They were awesome. Oh my god. Get away from this guy. He's got a freaking sword, bro. And that guy just stole my freaking kill. No, man. No, let me get on. Let me... Oh my god. About to lose my mind out here, man. About to lose my mind. Nice. Give me this. Give me this. Alright, let's go to Demon Dojo. Did I just hear footsteps? Someone up there? Demon Dojo. Yo, Donnie Wasp, what's up, what's up? How's the new mode? It's good. It's fun. I like it. I'm probably going to play it a lot, but not solo, though. Like, I'll play it with people. Yo, Chief, what's up, man? How you doing? Any OG4 gameplay? I played one game. It's fun. There's not enough mobility, so.
All right, I took a quick snack break. I'm just watching some Zemi.
Chapter 6, then I will.
I had some potatoes.
I could probably play OG, at least in solos. I don't think I'll be playing a whole lot of OG.
Excuse me.
Too slow. What's happening here? Oh, I have an auto shotgun, not even a freaking. Oh my god.
Oh, Zemi. Zemi. All right, he lost.
It disappeared. It's gone.
Watch that later. Where are we at now? Okay, so we got the individual things. Now all we need to do is get the amounts that the player has, and then we'll display that. And let's do it even if it's 0 in this case. Let's go back in. Okay, so we have these, and right underneath, let's just do directly underneath. And then just like, although those 2D quads don't move, these do move. It's okay. We can set the 2D quads to move. Okay, so I've never done this before, I don't think. So it's a new experience, I guess. Make char. Okay. So before we do this, why don't we get the current alphabet to stay put where it's at, like when it's instantiated or created or whatever. Actually, why don't we init text and make chart update data render? Okay. So the btext update data doesn't do anything, right? Okay. So if we wanted the text to move and to be something that you could visit on the screen, show space. The stars update data dx dy, right? Let's go look at that real quick. Update data dx dy. We already have the dx and dy. Yeah, so we just, and then, oh, that's everything. Okay, so we're just 8 through 14, just subtract it and add it, and then you're good. Okay. That's what I was thinking. So text, let's take, and with text, all we're going to do is the position, right? So we just want to modify the position because it already draws in relation to the quad. Okay. Position, color, scale, ASCII. So we just want to update the position. So let's just add that in. Let's make another version of this. So from 4, we're going up to 5. Okay, and then here we're going up to 5, new text 5. Okay, so class new text 05, 0, I is less than. Total letters. So for each letter that we have, we're just going to go the chars I dot position plus equals, and is the position, is that a vector 2? It's vector 3. So then when we call the update data function for the do show space, text draw, update data, init data for the ship, right button pressed, do that. Then we'll just go down here and we'll just go text draw dot update data. And then we're going to send in the dx and dy there as well. So we're going to add those parameters. And those are just going to be floats, right? Float, yeah. Okay. And then update data. There we go. And then it does the update, quad vertices, the chars. Okay. So now they should move theoretically every time. That's wild. That's just wild. Because we call it right here. All right, let's try it. I don't know. Is that all it takes? Is it working? Peter? Oh, it failed. Hold on. Show me btext update data. Oh, right here. Oh, we can just send it dx dy or 0 0. We can send it. Like that. Did I update it the wrong way? It's supposed to be the opposite of that? Just subtract? Okay, hold on. There we go. So now the text is static. And we don't even really need to test the text anymore, so we don't need to display the text. So let's go into here. Test text. We can take that out. But we'll leave it in for right there. We don't need to call the update data. So we'll just call the make chars. Okay, so what we want to do is do we want to do that? Excuse me. Sort the inventory. Okay, create points for each type of inventory. So here, all we want to do is sort the inventory and then update the amounts, because this should be done at initialization, and so should that. Okay. And then, so here we're just going to update amounts for display of inventory. Okay, right there. That's all we're going to do is update the amounts. And then in here, when we do the initialization, we need to do this stuff. So here, okay, so we're going to take out our test. We're just going to create points for each type of inventory, which we already have done that. We just create amount to display for each type of inventory. We're just going to put it on the screen where it's at. So each type of inventory will just go with 0 0 0 0. So we're going to initialize the 0 0. Okay. So what does this do? That just creates the, okay, and then let's just go for int I is 0, I is less than. How many points do we have? 4, 5, 8, and then 5, so 8. Okay, 8, I plus plus. So let's put the position on there. We're just going to go text draw dot btext make char. Okay. Okay, so the position, so this is the X position here. And we want to display it at 0.0 plus, what was each one? 0.1, 0.1 times I. And then we need to cast I to a float. Okay. And then we're just going to go down a little bit, just negative 0.2 for the Y. And then Z should be, oh, do we have to make them negative 200? I'm afraid. Should be afraid. Okay, it's fine. Color, random, vector 2, what's that one? What is it? Oh, the scale. Okay, that's fine. And then the ASCII value. We just want 0. Zero, the number. The number 0. Okay, so where's it at? 48. So 32 is the first one, 48 is 0. 32 is the first one, 48 is... So do we just want to put the number 48 in here? I think we just want the number 48. Okay. And then we're also going to do update data. So that should initialize them, and then let's see what happens. So now we're going to have that instead of the entire alphabet displayed or whatever. Oh, it looks like it's working. Oh, okay, so we have 0, 0, 0, 0. Too many zeros, or not enough zeros. But that's fine. That's fine. Although it should be more a little bit like right under the guys. So instead of coming down on the Y, which is negative 0.2, let's just go 0.1. Actually, probably 0.5, but let's see. Okay. Yeah, see, now the displayed amount is right there. It could be bigger, though. But that's okay. I think the main point is that we want to keep track of the, yeah. So the scale, what if we make them twice the size? 0.4 and then 8.8. Just bigger. Okay, that's cool. Until we get up to, well, then we should have them slightly offset. So x 0.1, and let's go. Since the scale is 0.4, we know that moving it over 0.4 would be the whole thing, right? So let's do half. Move it over a half. I think. Yeah, that looks... Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, I had multiplied it, didn't I? We don't want to add it there. We want to add it here. Just the offset. Okay. Does that look all right? Nice. Okay. And then if we get another one beside it. Okay, so let's go up to 10. Okay, that didn't do anything. So this one should have gone up, right? That's what we would have expected. Also, we don't have the flowers represented for the spiral. That's okay. We'll figure out all the other stuff. So now we just want them to start counting up, and then we'll go up to a maximum of 9, I guess. I really like that. I like the way it displays there. It's quite nice. So wait, where are we at? Oh, it's so small. I just passed it out. Okay, so here. Update amounts of for display of the inventory. Okay. All right. Let me go put the ketchup back in the fridge. Okay, let's see what we got here now. Update amounts for display of inventory. So, what are we doing then? So what we're actually doing is we're literally just creating 8 letters and setting them all equal to 0. So right here, or no, it's actually just in here. Where are we at? Just in the update data. So find mining collision. Temp stuff equals that. If temp stuff is less than 17. So here it is right here. So if temp stuff equals 4, 5, 8, 10 through 14, then we do this. Add inventory temp stuff. Hold on. And then the other thing is we need to update the amount in the text draw. So text draw dot. So then we need to figure out which index and then set the, okay. So we're going to create a new function, and we're just going to say set index value. And we're going to say ASCII. Okay. So the index is going to be temp stuff type. Okay. And then the ASCII value is going to be, we're going to increase it by 1. And this isn't the final how it's going to work. This is just step by step getting to where I need to go eventually. So set index ASCII, we're going to increase it by 1. So we go into here. Okay, it's going to send in a unsigned int and an unsigned int value. We'll go like this. It looks really cool. Okay, so the index is going to be index That's fine. Okay, so the index that it's going to send in is going to be the temp stuff, so it's going to be 4, 5, 8, 10 to 14. So we need to convert that into 0 to 7. So, So if index greater than or equal to 4, or index is less than or equal to 5. Okay. We're going to go glute real index equals 0. We're going to go real index minus equals 4. Okay. If index equals 8, real, or wait. Real index equals index minus 6. So the first one's going to be 3, so we subtract 7, and that should be good. And then we need to go to total letters char. What? The chars. So we're going to go the chars index dot the ASCII plus plus, like that. And then after we set index ASCII for that, which is right here in the do show space, then we do update data, that'll work fine. Okay. Let's see if this works. It didn't do any of it didn't do any of them, so hold on. So for the one that I was doing, the index equals 8. Real index is equal to 8 minus 6, so 2. So it should have went to chars 2, ASCII plus plus. Position, color, scale, oh, wait. It's a float. That's why. So it just didn't do anything? Okay. Doesn't do it. Weird. It's not doing anything. Oh, wait, it's doing some of the... Oh, it's going way up. Look at that. Okay, so it's having a little trouble with the types and whatever. Okay, so what's going on? Wait, what's the first one? The first one is the asteroids. So it's number 4, right? So let's go to 4. Just take out 1 or 2 or whatever. Excuse me, I think my voice did something weird. Okay, 0, and it did here. Oh, so it didn't do here. So the type stuff was 4, but it gave it that one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Oh. I go through all the trouble to convert real index into the actual index, and then I don't actually use it. That's great, Jeff, great. Okay, so now this will work. Yeah, okay. Now we're getting accurate ones. Accurate results. Okay, so the problem only now is when it goes beyond 10. Okay, cool. Let's just go and see what trouble we can get into while we're doing this here. Let's go all the way out. Okay, now we'll come back because we got a bunch of them. All right, they all updated. They're all in weird spots. Okay, very, very good. Now, Jeff. So now we're going to do the how come I don't call it wait. Okay, so now we just want 16, right? And then every other one's going to be, so we're going to draw 2. So this one, and then the one right next to it. Okay. So this one, let's draw there, and then the other one's going to be right there. And then we'll go forward and draw the next one, and like that. The only other problem is here, no, that's right. And then that, and then this, and 48. So what's wrong? Oh, I'm just thinking we're only going to do 8. So at each location we'll have 1 and 1. Okay. I think that'll do it. Let's see what we get. Oh, did we not copy it right? What happened? Oh, it worked. Okay. They're too close together. Okay. Oh, that's right, because this stride's 4. So let's go -2. And let's go -1 for that, and then +1, so we'll create a small space between them. Maybe we'll do a bigger space if it doesn't look natural. Okay, that looks all right. And then again, it's only updating the ones. Okay. So now when it goes to update, when we're in that actual function, set index ASCII, right? So the real index is here, and then we're going to go real index times 2. And then we should really go real index times 2 plus 1. Like that. I think that will give us still the accurate up to 9. Let's see. Yep. And let's just go through and shoot a bunch more and verify that only the first one from each one is shooting or being shot at. Okay, now. So really the only thing to do here is if that, so it starts at 48, which is 0, right? So you're going to add 10, so 58 is greater than 57. Then you're going to do two things. You got to go so that one, we'll set it back to, what was it, 48? Yeah, 48. And then the other one that we're dealing with, which is the tens column, you just want to go plus equals 1. All right, let's see if that works. Okay. All right, it looks like we're getting a good count. That's good. Okay, it looks like we shot too many of those and we went over, but that's okay. Aha. We can keep going and go up to 1,000 too. That's pretty cool. Okay. All right. Well, let's see what we got here. So this is fine as long as the player wants to come back to here to check their inventory. That could be like the base, right? All right. I think that's pretty good progress for the day. We just got the basics of inventory. Let's get a screenshot. Do you want to do it like that, or do you want to do a screenshot to get some of the some of that good prime number texture stuff in there? Let's go like this. That looks fine. The beginnings of inventory. Yes. Yes. That's awesome. Okay, that shall be good. All right, thanks everybody for tuning in. Nice to meet everybody. It was very nice. Let's go check where we're at here. Where do I check? Channel, creator dashboard, stream manager. 3 hours, wow, okay. All right, we don't have enough to rate out and count towards the thing, but that's all good. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for next time when we do more with inventory and possibly get into crafting and stuffs and things. Might even be in about 30 minutes if I just can't get this out of my head.